Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So, my dear friends, finally the NFP day has come, and we can see that market is silent. We do not have a clarity. If you have been trading on gold for the last couple of days, probably you have also seen that recently market has become very unpredictable. When there was tension between Israel and Iran, market was going up. Things were pretty simple, and we all know it that it is simple to trade in trending market. But then we also saw a huge drop on gold, a drop of around 1,000 pips in 4 hours, and then we got to see a choppy market, sideways kind of a market, and that was also manageable. But for the last 3 4 days, it has become really difficult for us to understand in which direction the market is moving. And this is why trading is difficult. Okay. That's why I say the flexibility is very important for a trader because when market gives you opportunities to make money, okay, you should grab it. For example, in trending market, if you exit at 30 40 pips, that is a foolish decision. But when market is not giving you easy chances to make money, okay, you should just exit with 20 30 pips. And this is a market where you can just expect to make 20 30 pips only, at least before the NFP. Okay, let's look at the market sentiment first, my dear friends. Gold studies ahead of US payrolls data. Gold held steady near 2300 per ounce on Friday, hovering at its lowest level in 4 weeks as investors exercise caution ahead of the US non-farm payrolls data due later in the day, which could offer further cues on the Federal Reserve's policy direction. And for the last 1 or 2 days, okay, the level of 2300 is acting like a magnet. Sometimes it is becoming support, sometimes it is becoming resistance. Oh my God. And my dear friends, before I proceed, I would like to mention that keep in mind, okay, the levels are only valid before the news because when news or fundamentals dominate the market, technicals do not work. So as a trader, it is very important for you to know when to go with the technicals and when to follow the direction given by the fundamentals. Okay, for example, if you see the data is positive and market is not responding well to the data, then try to follow the trend of the market. Okay, instead of thinking that how can market go against the news. Okay, market is full of surprises, market is full of manipulations, so try to follow the trend of the market after the news, not the levels or your sixth sense. Now let's look at the higher time frame. It is 4 hours time frame. On 4 hours time frame, okay, I have derived three levels here. You can see these three purple lines. Okay, so first of all, we have the support around 2260. Okay, that we have discussed yesterday also, that if market drops and if you see that there is not much volatility in the market, keep in mind volume plays a very important role. If you see market going down with big red candles, no support is going to work. But if you see market is going down with small candles, then there is not much volume. In that case, you can expect a bounce around 2260. And already the structure of the market is not very positive. The trend of the market may be up, but recently market has been forming lower highs, and formation of lower highs is not a very positive sign. So 2260 is a level where we can expect a bounce, not a complete trend reversal. It can be a good bounce, big bounce of 60 70 80 pips, but not a trend reversal. Okay, after all, 2260, okay, we have derived 2260 only with FIBO here. FIBO was working, so we are expecting to get a bounce around 2260. Okay, so if you see market is going down, you can look for a quick bounce around 2260. But if you see there's a heavy selling pressure, then obviously you need to follow the trend of the market. You don't need to think about 2260 because the ultimate support on the chart of gold will be 2200. 2200 is a big number, round number. It's a psychological support, and I don't think so market will go beyond 2200. Okay, so 2200 is the big support level for us, And if market shows heavy selling pressure, look for a sell. Okay, try to follow the trend of the market. And if market goes up, then you can also look for a buy above 2255. Why 2255? Because 2255 is a if market breaks 2255 level, you can see that we do not have any immediate resistance. The road is kind of clear, so you can look for a buy above 2255 if you see the market is going up. Before news, now listen to me carefully. Before NFP data, there is a very little chance that market will break 2255. Sorry, not 2255. Sorry, 2355. Extremely sorry. Okay, market has been so volatile these days. Okay, I'm getting confused with the numbers. Okay, so 2355. So 2355 is the level. Okay, I don't think so. Market will be able to cross before news, because to break across any level, volume is important. In absence of volume, it is not possible. But after news, volume will be there. If you see market is going up big time, then you can also look for a buy above 2355 as well. Okay, and if market drops with low volume, low selling pressure around 2260, you can expect a bounce. Ultimate support is 2200. Okay, so these are the three levels that we have derived from the 4 hours time frame. My dear friends, if you're looking for detailed analysis throughout the day, but yes, you don't want to spend time also, then Dotbee can be the best solution for you. Dotbee is an AI-powered chatbot that not only provides you the ready-made market analysis, but you can also ask questions. For example, okay, on the right-hand side, you just need to click on your beloved pair. Let's go with gold and select the preferred time frame. For example, 1 hour time frame. You just need to wait for a few seconds and you can see you have the detailed analysis of gold on the hourly time frame. And if you want to change it to 50 minutes, just click on 50 minutes and 1, 2, 3. There it goes. You can see that you have the detailed analysis of gold on the 15 minutes time frame. On the left hand side, you have the chatbot. You can ask anything. For example, Forex, economic, calendar. You just need to wait for a few seconds and there it goes. You can see here Dotbee is giving you the answer here. So this is how you can use Dotbee and change your trading. And the best part is that you can also use it on the mobile view. Yeah, you can easily adjust it like this, and there you have the mobile view of Dotbee, so that you can also trade and also look at the analysis at the same time. Isn't it awesome? So my dear friends, this is Dotbee. Check out the link in the description. Now let's talk about the hourly time frame. So we can see a different picture on the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, we have two levels. Okay, so already two level. So the support is around 2260, where we can expect a bounce. And when market will be going down, obviously market will be under selling pressure, under the dominance of sellers. So you can also look for a sell below 2280. You can see if market breaks 2280 level, okay, we do not have any immediate support. So as a day trader, obviously you can look for a quick selling opportunity below 2280. Okay, so if market breaks 2280, you can hit the sell button and you can expect at least 100 pips if the selling pressure is high. And if there's a news in the market, then obviously you can expect to make a good amount of money. So 2280 is a level, okay, below which you can look for a sell after news as well. Okay. If market goes up from here, my dear friends, you can also see that we have a minor resistance, okay, around 2338. Around 2338, we have the FIBO 78.6% retracement level. Market has been respecting the FIBO levels nicely. So if market goes up before news, listen to me, before news you can expect to take a sell for 30 to 40 pips around 2338 as well. Okay, so these are the two trading opportunities from the 1 hour time frame. Now let's switch to a lower time frame, because before a major event like NFP, we do not get to see much volatility and craziness in the market. In that case, okay, the trading opportunities from higher time frame are not very attractive to us, because there's a very less chance that market will be able to go to those levels because those levels are far away. Now you can see that we are on the 15 minutes time frame. So let me give you a reminder, my dear friends, the levels from lower time frame are not very reliable in comparison to the higher time frame. Okay, so here you can see we have a high around 2309. Okay, so this is a high around 2309. So during the day, especially before the US session, if you see market going up, okay, if you see market going up, you can look for a buy above 2310. But if you see size of the candles are very small, then avoid it. Okay. And after US session, if the news helps gold to go up, then obviously you can look for a buy above 2310 as well. But the problem is that, okay, after news, okay, because of heavy volatility, okay, our orders usually do not get executed. That may be a problem. And before news, okay, and before the NFP data or before news, if you see gold going down, you can also look for a quick sell around 2297, 2294. These are the two levels where you can expect a sorry, not quick sell, you can expect a quick buy. Okay, quick buy for 20 to 25 pips, not more than that, because the volume is less in the market. 20 pips also or 25 pips is also quite decent. So during the European session and Asian session, if you see market going down, you can look for a quick bounce around these two areas if market shows price rejection from below. But by the European session, if you see market is standing at 2297 with a big red candle, then obviously you need to avoid it. Okay, use common sense. So let me wrap it up here. So let's start from the 50 minutes time frame. So my reference, as we can clearly see, the market is trading in a tight range, a narrow range, and before a major event like NFP, market behaves like this only all over the world across all the market segments. Okay, so during the day, especially before the US session, before the news, if market drops with low volume, you can look for a quick bounce of 20-25 pips around 2297 and 2294 because we have FIBO levels. Okay, and if market breaks 2310, then also we can look for a buy above this level, but be careful, if there's less volume, just avoid it. Buy above 2310 during the US session can be a good option. Okay, and before US session, suppose market surprises us with bullishness, in that case you can also look for a sell around 2338 before US session only. Okay, and if market goes down, you can also look for a sell below 2280 because 2280 acted as support, you must be remembering. So below this 2280, you can also look for a sell position. Okay, and you can look for a quick buy or a bounce around 2260. If market takes support and bounces, 2260 can be a level where you can expect to make 50 to 60 or 80 pips. But if the selling pressure is very high, okay, listen to me carefully. If the selling pressure is very high, after breaking 2280, do not look for buy. Okay, just continue with the sell position. Especially after news also. If you see that after NFP data, gold is falling, then be on the trade, okay, of sell. Do not look for reversals. This is a very bad habit of all of us that whenever market goes in a particular direction, we always look for reversals. Why trade on reversals? Why the adrenaline rush? Okay, the ultimate goal is to make money, not to make money on reversals, isn't it? And ultimate support is around 2200. Okay, and we have another level around 2350. 235 sorry 2355. So if market breaks 2355, then also we can look for a buy above it. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities, my dear friends. Let us see on the chart of gold. Be careful at the time of news. Again, I'm repeating, my dear friends, we are traders, not gamblers. So respect your capital, respect your hard-earned money. Okay, and try to follow the trend of the market after news, because when news dominates, technicals do not work. That's a bitter reality. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. All the best. See you tomorrow.